Question number 34. Okay. Electrical energy is to be supplied, transferred from a power station to users using an AC power distribution system. What are the conditions for the transmission voltage and transmission current for the most energy efficient transfer? So, what should we do here? So, whenever we want to transfer an energy from source to the destination, that is from the power station to the destination, what we should do? We should step up the voltage. We should step up the voltage. Why step up the voltage? Because P is equal to V square by R, and when the length is increasing, the distance between a power station and that of the transformers where our domestic uses are being used, substations is very large. Okay, so the length of the cable that you require is also very large. When length of the cable is larger, then the resistance is also very large, right? Because R is equal to rho L by A and R is proportional to L. So what do? We put this R in the denominator. So which means that you have to increase the power over here. So which you are increasing this one, and as a result of this, current will now reduce. Okay, so you should have higher voltage and lower current. That should be the condition. So which should be answer is B over here.